Imagine yourself in this 2017 Kia Cadenza technology. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, 290 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock, analog. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.